Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa easily. Start by washing and dicing your tomatoes and onions, then seed peppers if you want milder heat. Mix ingredients in a bowl with lime juice, salt, and chopped cilantro. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding a pinch of sugar if tomatoes are bland. Let the salsa rest for at least 15 minutes to meld flavors before serving with chips or tacos. Gather your tools: a sharp knife, cutting board, bowl, and optional food processor. Chop tomatoes, onions, and peppers to your preferred size or pulse briefly for a chunkier texture. Add chopped cilantro, lime juice, salt, and a splash of water if needed to loosen consistency. Stir gently and taste, making small adjustments until it sings. Serve fresh or chill for later, and always keep extra chips on hand for testing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more helpful videos reach you. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes browsing and bookmarking recipes effortless while you cook, and it's more portable than a cookbook. I find it handy when trying new salsa variations in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with roasting tomatoes and peppers for a smoky salsa variation, or add diced mango for tropical sweetness. Try a teaspoon of vinegar or a touch of sugar to balance acidity when tomatoes lack brightness. For herb alternatives, use parsley or mint for different profiles, and consider sautéing garlic if raw bite is too sharp. Always taste as you go and adjust heat, salt, and acidity to your personal preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.